I'm the AfroGirl, and we're live here with Breakz, where I give you all the updates in the world of lifestyle and entertainment in Ghana and across the world. Now, Samini has announced on social media that he is ready to release new music following the completion of his degree course at the Ghana Institute of Management and Public Administration. In his post, he has advised his fans and followers to reach for their goals and dreams. And he put out a tweet, so let's check it out. So he says, "I finished the school and I can't believe it. Grand graduation loading. Achisa. Thanks to all my mates, especially Kokoveli, who reminded me of my promise to myself. Better late than never. You can do it." Back to the music. Ready? Are you ready for some new music from Samini? I mean, we love a good role model who knows how to balance multiple things at a time and, of course, takes their education seriously. He's literally leading by example, and we like that over here. We like that very, very much. Anyways, moving on now, the Recording Academy has added 3 new categories for the 66th Annual Grammy Awards set for next February. This includes the Best African Music Performance, Best Alternative Jazz Album, and Best Pop Dance Recording. This brings the total number of categories to 94. Now, this is huge. This is big for Africa, and it's really about time. We've been working, and it's important that they acknowledge it. Also, did you spot Ghana's drill in there? Ghana's drill is on there. A huge shout outs to Asaka boys, Charlie. Them sport everywhere. Now, moving on to the news that I know you've seen this, but I need to talk about it. Guinness World Records announced yesterday that Hilda Bassi is the new record holder for the longest cooking by an individual. Hilda attempted to set a record of 100 hours. However, almost 7 hours were deducted from her final total because she mistakenly took extra minutes for one of her rest breaks early on in the attempt. Now, the 26-year-old Nigerian chef began on Thursday, 11th May, and continued through to Monday. And we have the video the Guinness World Records posted, so let's see it.
Including, there must be at least 2 items being prepared or cooked at any time. And the number, name and weight of each cooked item must be submitted with the evidence. Hilda fulfilled all of these rules. However, anyone attempting a marathon record receives 5 minutes break for every hour that they complete. This is to allow suitable rest breaks for the participants due to the prolonged nature of these records. In this case, there was a miscalculation when it came to Hilda's rest breaks, meaning we are unable to award the 100 hours claimed. I can now announce that with a time of 93 hours and 11 minutes, Hilda Bassi is the new holder for the Guinness World Records title for longest cooking marathon.
Thank you. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh God, you're good. Oh God, you're so good.
This is so beautiful to witness, and to think that she's just 26 years. 26 years. What have you done? Anyways, one thing I've learned from this is that going the extra mile, that's a whole lot. The person before her did 87 hours. Now imagine Hilda stopped at 87 or even 90 hours, and now they took, you know, the 7 hours away from the total. Imagine, like, everything she's done is cost 90. Anyways, guys, that's about it for MX Breaks with me, the AfroGirl. For more entertainment stories, don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms at MX24GH. I'm out.